Hey guys, I figured I would do just a little quick kind of vlog video here. I'm trying out some of the new camera equipment that I have. This little camera here is my new Sony Action camera. I have it facing towards me, as you can tell, and then I have another camera that's facing forward out of the Jeep. I'll kind of cut back and forth between the two so you can kind of see the difference between the GoPro style action cameras I was using before and the new Sony camera. I don't have all of the mounts and stuff that I need for it yet, so I'm not quite sure how this is going to work. It might vibrate around, it might fall off, I don't know. I'm also using a different microphone. I'm using a shotgun microphone over here. What I'm trying to do is build a small little kind of like handheld rig so I can, you know, video a little bit more stuff without having to set up the great big camera and all of that. So this is kind of a stationary test right now, and then also a test of driving around. But I want to test it, and I wanted to kind of give an update of some of the things I'm going to try to change on the channel for 2018. So, I mean, it's no major changes, it's just adding some stuff to it. So I'm going to try this here. We're going to pull out of the parking lot and we're going to go drive and see if this thing falls down. And I'm going to try to talk to you and tell you the changes that I'm going to try on the channel. One of the first things I want to say is we're going to stay with the usual. Let's see, this mount's already starting to move. We're going to stay with our usual, you know, Wednesday weekly uploads. I may take a little bit of a break from that, maybe a week or two or something like that, just because it's been really, really cold. I can heat the garage, but the problem is when it's as cold as it is now, like right now, it's like, I think 15 degrees out, something like that. So it's pretty cold. So I'm going to try to take a little bit of a break from that. I know it's winter, it's going to stay cold, but hopefully we get a little bit better weather, you know, at least above freezing or at freezing would be nice. Anyway, enough rambling on that. I'm going to keep doing the Wednesday uploads, and so that'll stay the same. I want to try to do a couple extra videos here and there. That's why I want to try to make this little handheld rig that I can just kind of carry around with me most of the time, and then, you know, take it out and film whatever, you know, I'm doing, like maybe just little tiny updates of stuff that I'm, you know, might be doing to one of the vehicles that's, you know, not really worthy of an entire video. So I'm going to try to do that. I'll show what that little rig looks like once I get all the parts in. I'm kind of waiting on a lot of those. So I'll end up like throwing videos like that in here and there, you know, kind of everywhere. So there won't be any set schedule for those. But I do want to kind of have a couple other videos that have somewhat of a set schedule. One of them is going to be, I think I'm going to call it like product of the month. It's going to be some type of, you know, tool, product, something along those lines that I have had for quite a while, used, and, you know, actually like and would actually recommend someone to buy. So I would do, you know, a small review on that, you know, whatever product it would be, once a month. So I want to kind of have that as a monthly video, and that one, I think I would like to do that one every second Sunday of the month. And then the other series, I want to do like give like little tips or tricks, like a monthly thing, like monthly tip or trick, or monthly tips and tricks, or something like that. I don't know, I'll come up with names for them later, or maybe they won't have names. I want to do that one every third Friday of the month. If I had my little handheld rig that I'm talking about that I'd like to put together, it would allow me just to, you know, take out this little rig and then just film, you know, some random stuff, and, you know, I could have a couple extra videos, you know, throughout the week or throughout the month. I just want to try to get some more content out there. I know the vlog videos don't get very many views, but from some of the people that I've talked to that do watch the vlog videos, they do like, you know, the vlogs, and I figure maybe if I do, you know, little snippets here and there that, you know, not necessarily just vlogs, but like I said, the other little random videos, if I'm, you know, just working on something, you know, changing spark plugs or doing something out in the garage, you know, I could just take out the camera and record, say, hey, this is what I'm doing, and, you know, just kind of give you guys an update on just random stuff that I'm doing, because I'm always doing something on one of the Jeeps. It's kind of hard to make content that everybody's gonna like, because I really want to keep the channel as, you know, kind of a how-to and, you know, DIY channel like it is. But I want to add a little bit to it so I could, you know, kind of expand my audience a little bit. So, you know, it's just, I want to get more of a reach, basically. And I get bored. You know, I like kind of making these videos. Like I said, we're going to keep doing the Wednesday videos. We're going to do product of the month videos. Those will be the second Sunday of every month. Monthly tips and tricks, or whatever we end up calling that. That'll be every third Friday of the month. And then, you know, just little videos like this whenever I, you know, decide to record something. When I do the videos on, you know, like the how-tos and all that stuff, you know, I set up the, you know, the big camera, and I always call it the big camera because it has, you know, all of the stuff mounted to it and everything, and the great big tripod. And I set up all the lights and everything, and those videos take quite a while to make, and they also take quite a while to edit. But I don't mind doing that. I'm gonna keep doing those videos. But I would like to throw in some small videos like this. I know I keep repeating myself, but you know, with videos like these, I'm not gonna throw in a whole lot of editing to it. You know, I'm just gonna kind of put them together and just have little mini vlogs here and there that will, you know, sometimes be about nothing at all. Sometimes they'll actually have a purpose to them. Hopefully the people that, you know, aren't really into the vlogs might, you know, come around to them. But like I've said for like the 12th time, I guess, they're not going to be, you know, just vlogs. They're going to be, you know, just kind of random different stuff. So hopefully some people come around to those, because I do like making that type of video. So if you came across this and you're not one of my subscribers, or you're new to the channel, make sure to go into my channel, check out a couple other videos. I've got all kinds of different stuff in there, and I'm gonna have all kinds of new stuff coming in there for this year. So make sure to check some of that stuff out, and if you find a video that you like, hit the like button. If you have something to say, leave it down in the comments. And if you find a couple videos that you like, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Sorry, that tested the can't talk. That tested the stabilization of the camera. It's a little rough through here. Wonder if the microphone picked that up. Just launched a giant rock at the little tiny car behind me. We're gonna try to run over somebody's trash can. Missed it. We're gonna run over little cars.